Before we dive into the technicalities, let's talk about why driving a car on the moon is such an intriguing idea. The moon has always captivated our imaginations. Its barren landscapes and low gravity make it the perfect testing ground for future space exploration. But how could we possibly navigate its rocky terrain in a car? The first thing we need to consider is the lunar environment. The moon's surface is covered with fine dust called regolith. It's made up of tiny particles of rock and can be several meters deep in some areas. This presents a challenge in terms of traction, as the wheels of a car could easily sink into the regolith. To counter this challenge, scientists have proposed using vehicles with specially designed wheels. These wheels would have a wide surface area to distribute the weight and reduce the risk of sinking. Additionally, their surface would be lined with sturdy grips to provide traction on the slippery lunar surface. Now, let's move on to the issue of gravity. Earth's gravity pulls objects downward, creating friction between the tires of a car and the road. On the moon, however, the gravity is only about 1/6 that of Earth's. This reduced gravity means there's less friction between the wheels and the lunar surface. To ensure stability and control while driving, scientists are exploring the concept of using magnetized wheels. These wheels would utilize magnetic fields to create additional friction with the lunar surface, compensating for the lower gravity. Another factor to consider when driving on the moon is temperature. The lunar surface experiences extreme temperature variations, ranging from freezing cold to scorching hot. These fluctuations can affect the performance and durability of a vehicle. To tackle this issue, scientists are developing advanced insulation materials that can withstand the extreme temperatures. On the moon, these materials would protect both the vehicle and its occupants, allowing for safe and efficient lunar exploration. Driving a car on the moon isn't just an idea floating in the realm of science fiction. In fact, several space agencies and private companies have already started developing lunar rovers and vehicles designed specifically for lunar exploration. NASA, for example, has already sent several rovers to the moon, such as the Apollo lunar roving vehicle during the Apollo missions. These rovers paved the way for future lunar vehicle designs and helped us understand the challenges of driving on the moon. Furthermore, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have expressed their intention to establish human settlements on the moon. This ambitious goal further emphasizes the need for reliable and efficient transportation systems on the lunar surface. While we haven't driven a car on the moon just yet, the progress being made shows that it's only a matter of time before we see vehicles cruising across its